Hello mga guys. It's me, it's Genevieve Tabili Norman. Here in Sweden, the people here is nature. Then, since I really love flowers, tapos earth sign, Virgo ako, na parang nagtataka na lang ako, naging selfish na pala ako sa mga pinagagawa ko. Okay lang. Kasi inunahan naman ako ng mga taong naiinggit. They are jealous to me. But anyway, I did not creating my flowers to be jealous to anyone. I creating these flowers of mine to have peaceful life, to have progressive life, to have, I can relax my inner part because here in Sweden, always stress, always negative. I need to be grounded. I need to be focused so that I can move on to my life at all. Anyway guys, matagal na sa akin itong orchids na ito. Nag-blooming siya guys. I'm so very happy because my favorite flowers is orchids. Then favorite color is pink. Ngayon 2025, hindi si pink nag-excel sa akin pagka ako. Okay lang. Ito guys, so unique the beauty of snake plant. Iwan ko kung snake plant pa ba siya, basta they are the variety of snake plant. Pampaswerte siya guys, nilagay ko talaga siya dyan. Kung naiinggit sila for me, bahala na sila sa buhay nila, basta I'm enjoying of my own. Beautification, flowers, kasi nakapokus lang ako sa buhay ko, yun lang yun. Kung aawayin ninyo ako, I don't know, basta me, I'm not a troublemaker human. Yun na lang. Kasi sa Virgo daw, naging, ano na siya, naging dangerous, naging selfish. Iwan ko, I am human at all. Iwan ko sa mga binabasa ninyo. Guys, mga bulaklak ko siya. Yung iba bago, yung iba hindi bago. Dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. Bye, 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 bye.